Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 8 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. As you can see, even though my face is dark, but what's important is that it's lit. I am in, and there's a ferry or a boat or whatever. I didn't even realize there's a boat now. But yeah, as you can probably guess, maybe, I don't know, I'm in Hiroshima. To, you know, just looking at these gates and stuff. So yeah, so hit all the buttons and let's get to today's problem. Hey, yeah. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. And also, there's a weekly premium problem, which I guess I forgot to record a thing for. But yeah, day 8. Let's go. Ooh, let's no spoiler, please. Alright, 2849, determine if a cell is reachable at a given time. Actually, I think this is like it wasn't that long ago. There was a contest farm, right? And there's a lot of negatives. This one is very tricky, but it is just like a thinking problem. I think so this is Manhattan distance, if I remember correctly. I say if I remember correctly because this wasn't that long ago. Like I do forget about a lot of these problems after a while, but this is like, I mean, we'll check how long ago it was, but I do remember the trick, right? The trick is that, okay, so because it's Manhattan distance, you can always move left or right or up and down, right? And basically the distance is almost independent, right? So basically maybe you could say dx is equal to fx minus sx after the value of dy is equal to the same thing, right? Except for the y dimension. So basically, if dx is greater than t or dy is greater than t, then we return false, right? Because that's just too far away from in that dimension. Otherwise, what happens, right? Otherwise, everything is true except for, I think there's one case, but I'm trying to remember. But basically, one step away, you can do everything one step, right? Except for, because you have to move. If you have to move, so if t is equal to 1, if you have to move and dx and maybe write it this way, right? So if you have to move but your starting location is whatever, then you have to return false. I think that's the only case, because obviously if you have to move, you cannot stay in one place. But after that, you can kind of prove to yourself just by induction and exhaustion initially, right? Meaning, if you have 2 steps, can you go back to the same location? Of course. If you have 3 steps, can you do it? The answer is yes, right? You 1, 2, like just 1, 2, and then 3, and then diagonal back or something like this, right? So you can always kind of go to every step as long as you're within that radius, except for this case, I believe. I'm gonna give it a spin. Yes. I mean, I did this during the contest, and I made a wrong answer in that case, I believe, yeah. So that's why, actually, and I did it mostly the same way, except I kind of had my conditions in the in the opposite case, and yeah. I mean, this is, constant space, constant time. I think it's just one of those logical things. You just have to kind of, this is one of those problems that kind of makes you think about the edge cases and really just thinking about it. I wouldn't consider this as a trick, but it is what it is. I don't know if this is interview quality though, because it's kind of a little bit weird. As an interviewer, I would never give it on an interview, but of course I'm not, every interviewer, as you know. I'm just me. And the reason is because either they get it or they don't, and it's really hard to kind of figure out their thought process. And then it's just like, am I trying to trick them? Trick the interviewee, right? Like, I mean, it is an edge case, but I don't know. It's not like an interesting edge case, right? I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe all edge cases are interesting, but I just mean like there's no hinting, right? Like I can't be like, oh yeah, can you? It's like, hey, you're a little bit off. Can you think about it a little bit differently, right? And with this problem, definitely, I don't know that I can give a hint to kind of see the progression. So I don't know, but maybe this is a good like warm up thing for. Yeah, maybe this is a good warm up. Like if I have like an interview with two different parts, which I don't like to do anyway, then I don't know. Anyway, constant space, constant time. That's what I have today. Let me know what you think. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the intro and outro. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye. It's Larry. It's the middle of the night here in Hiroshima. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm, the explanation, everything in between. Hope you stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. And of course, I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye. I know some of you expecting ice cream today, and I think I went the wrong way. Okay. But it got really cold here. It is 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about, I don't know, you do the math. What is that, like 10 degrees? And I'm just not dressed for it, that's all. And I hadn't eaten all day. So no ice cream today. I'm going to take care of my body just for a little bit. But yeah, I'll see y'all soon and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.